Oh yeah, we're having a party today. Having a party today, loading out slop, dredging the little pond out. So, this is very unique. There's the little spring house. And it's one healthy spring. It's more like an underground river that comes to the surface right there. And it flows down through that pond. There's a lot of water down through those two ponds and keeps this little pond full as well. But this little pond is filled up with mud and moss, and we're dredging it out today. We built a little dam underneath the bridge to keep the water over in the big pond and keep this shut, but thanks to the rock wall, it just flows right through. That's the little stream you see running down the center. It's going to be a pain in the hindquarters to work around that, but that's the best we got. So, they're loading out the mud. I get to go down in there with the skid loader and scrape it up to him. This is going to be one fun day. Goopy mess. But yet the bottom's solid. I have a feeling we'll be able to do okay. He'll just sit over here in this corner and load it out. But the whole truck, oh boy. There's a reason he closed his windows. This splatters everywhere. No. Keep the dirt there, buddy.